Cancer appears white in an MRI scan. Have you ever wondered why? It's because healthy cells and cancer cells resonate at different frequencies. MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, literally measures the resonance or vibration of your cells. Modern science recognizes that our bodies are composed of energy. Healthy cells vibrate or resonate at frequencies different from unhealthy or cancerous cells. This is where the groundbreaking science of resonating frequencies comes into play. The V3 Wellness Kit harnesses this knowledge to introduce specific, beneficial frequencies into your body. By adjusting your cell's resonating frequency, the V3 Wellness Kit helps your cells, organs, and entire body to return to healthier function, addressing the root causes and contributing factors of cancer. Discover wellness at the vibrational level. Resonating frequencies can make the difference. Experience the Legend Infusion's V3 Wellness Kit and help your body resonate with health again. Supporting the quest for legendary health.